Hi friends, welcome to my channel presenting review of Cifran OZ tablets. Cifran OZ tablet contains ciprofloxacin 500 mg and ornidazole 500 mg. Cifran OZ tablets is manufactured in India by Sun Pharmaceutical India Limited. Cifran OZ tablets having excellent result. It contains one antibiotic and one amibicidal. It is used in the treatment of dysentery, diarrhea, gastrointestinal infection, post-operative infection, gynecological infection, lung infection, acute bone and joint infection, dental infection, urinary tract infection, etc. It contains a strip which contains 10 tablets. Tablets are titanium dioxide color, non-nauseant, non-bitter, easy to use and easy to travel. It is film-coated tablets. It is safe and effective, cost only 119 rupees. It is most economical Ciprofloxacin and Ornidazole brand. Cifran OZ tablets having excellent result. Don't take this tablet empty stomach. Ornidazole having taste bitter. It is not safe in pregnancy and breastfeeding women. It is not for children, it is for adults. Cifran OZ tablets having excellent result. It should require prescription. Don't take without prescription. Avoid self-medication. Doses are 1 tablet PID for 3 days as directed by the physician. If you like this video, share as maximum as possible. Thanks for watching video.